Okay, so this will be a video on a simple entity creation, an advanced entity creation, if you could even call it that. So, if you haven't watched the other video, you download this add-on. It'll be in the description. Throw it in your add-ons folder. It has an entity to work off of with IMGUI pre-installed. Perfect for what we're doing. So it has a default model on it. We're gonna make like an ammo dispenser with like, trying to think. Let me think real quick. Yeah, we can do an ammo dispenser. Why not? So to start this off, we're gonna make a menu with IMGUI. Let me pull up the GitHub just so I remember if I'm doing this right. Double check. Okay, cool. So we're gonna do a surface.set draw color. We're gonna set it to gray, which should be 41, 41, 41. And we will draw a rect. This is definitely not set up at all, so we're gonna need to figure out what the vector is. Set that to 100, I think. No. Hold on. Trying to figure out. Unbinary. Hold on. So defaults. Okay, I can't no clip for some reason. That's really weird. What the hell? Okay, whatever. Why can I not no clip? Okay. It's gonna be a little bit of an issue. Sorry. Okay, so trying to figure out what the vector would be. That's XYZ, so probably been a Z value actually. No? Okay. Here, we'll do this. We'll make the model smaller so we can like actually see it. We're gonna change it to a door. We'll just respawn it. We should be able to see the draw. It's a 90, 90, 90, 0.1. Still trying to figure out where the draw is. Bit strange. If I just do draw. Okay. So it just has to do with that. Oh no, I'm just blind. That would also be why. Okay. So we have that fixed now. What is wrong? What did I just... Oh. I'm a little bit blind. So we're gonna make the little menu on the side of this. It's not gonna be anything special. Just a little bit of a... Why is this not updating? Okay, so it does have to be doing with draw. So we're not going to use draw translucent. It's bugging for some reason. So we'll set the post like negative... What is it? Negative 50? Negative 200? Negative 250? Cool. This needs to come out like 10. Oops. I need to come, that's to the right. We don't want to do that. We need to have this come out to like 0.5. There you go. As long as it's not in the prop, which it's not in the prop, I don't think. Cool. So we're gonna make a text button. Text, but we can just steal this code real quick. It doesn't really. We'll just steal this. And we're gonna move it down to like 500. No, it'd be like 400. 425 negative 50. We're gonna make it a little bit longer. that's why. What am I doing? We'll move this over to the left. 425 is perfect. $100. Wait, no. Why is it going to the right? -100, -200, -225. You don't need the Y to be that much. So we'll make the Y like 25. The length can be like 475. 450? Okay, cool. So that's kind of aligned for the most part. We're gonna change this to give ammo. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate these buttons. And we're gonna make a couple more just because. I'm gonna make this 400 and we'll make this one 375, 370, 395, 95, this would be 365. So we're gonna do give here change to rocket, and we'll do change to shotgun. So how this is gonna work is we need to set up a data table. So we're gonna call this network var. This needs to be a string, and we can just put this in the 0 slot, and we'll just call this ammo value. So we're gonna need to add a couple of net strings here. Give ammo util dot add network string change ammo. Just to make sure we don't conflict any pre-existing add-ons, we'll add my name in front of it. So how this is gonna work is we will do. Let me double check how the ammo works on the wiki real quick, just to make sure this is valid. Give ammo. Okay, so we'll just change this to pistol. Change to pistol. And we can use AR2 because that's rifle ammo and default half-life. So we're gonna call a net.start justice change ammo, and we're gonna write net.write string. We're gonna call this pistol. It needs to be capitalized. Net.send to server. We can copy this, just paste it in here. Get rid of this too. We need that. Oops. We're gonna call this AR2, and then the give ammo we're gonna call the justice give ammo send to server. I think I called it give ammo. Yeah, so we'll do a net.receive give ammo. I'm gonna call this. So in here, we're gonna give the ammo based on give ammo. We're gonna give them 200. Give them 200 rounds of whatever the self get ammo value is. I would call true. This would be a lowercase self. So whenever you make this, it's gonna give a get and set value on the network vars. So we're gonna simply call get. We're gonna get the network var of self, or we're gonna get the network var of ammo value, which is what this is doing. In here, we need to set this to something default. So we're just gonna set it to ammo value. We're gonna set this to pistol, just to make sure we have that properly set up. And we'll do net.change, or net.receive. Just change ammo So how this is gonna work is we will just local ammo equals that. So player set ammo. We're gonna need to set ammo value. So that should work now perfectly. Actually, I'm pretty sure. No, set ammo value and nil value. We'll change this to int ammo value. I don't know if that's reserved for something. That might be reserved for something. So int ammo value. Oh, I see. Okay, we're gonna move this net string into the. What's a good? Oh yeah, we can move this into a thing hook. So int dot function int think. This just needs to be moved into a hook where these will be ran, because that's outside of self. Self does not exist in that. So it's still not working. Hold on. Could probably change these back too. I don't think that's a reserved thing. I think I'm just being a little bit stupid. Ammo value. What's wrong with that? Set ammo value and nil value. Oh, we didn't write a string. Just change ammo, not that right string. Oh, you wrote something. Hold on. I'm just gonna print this real quick just to make sure I'm not being retarded again. It's printing, so oh, it's because we're calling it on player. My bad. Okay, so that should be working. So we can just do this. We'll do player. Was it I'm trying to think of what it is. Is it print message? It is. Okay, so we'll do player print message. HUD print talk. You have changed your ammo too, and we'll do the same one for this. I thought read int. That's not proper. So that should work now. It should even tell us what we changed it to. We changed it to pistol. So we're gonna grab 2 of the default Half-Life guns. We'll grab this and we will grab this because this is what uses AR. This is what uses AR2 in Half-Life. So pull this out and we shoot, and we go here. We're not getting ammo, which is weird. Hold on. What about the pistol? Where's the actual pistol? So pistol's working. AR2 is just. Oh, I think AR2 is the. AR2 the alt. Yeah, we could change it to something else too. I mean. No, it's working. Never mind. Line. This just changes. We can change between ammo types, which is what this is doing. So that's a little advanced, I would say, entity example. I mean, it's not really that advanced. Just a little ammo dispenser. But yeah, the default ammo will be linked in the description. Sorry for the rush tutorial. I have to go soon. So anyway, there you go.